13th one, write a sample Python program on multi-level inheritance. Okay, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is nothing but one child class inherits the properties from parent class, and the newly created child class becomes a parent class for another child class. Okay, we'll see with an example, you understand. So you have seen multiple inheritance. See, this is a multiple inheritance example. Okay, multiple inheritance is nothing but accessing the properties of more than one class. Okay, this child class, this animal is a child class, accessing the properties of the both base classes. Okay, both two parent classes here. Okay, dog comma bird. This is a multiple inheritance. Now we will do multi-level inheritance. Okay, multi-level inheritance. So this is a called base class, this parent class you can call it as, and we'll create child class for this bird, dog. Okay, dog. Okay, so now bird. Okay, and I write some method here. Define base or whatever, self print. Okay, this is child class, whatever. Okay, write it. Okay, class here. Okay, so like this, dog is a parent class, means here child class inherits the properties of here child class here inherits the properties of the parent class, and the newly created this bird class become the parent class, and it becomes a and the newly created subclass becomes a parent class from another animal child class here. Okay, child class here. Okay, so it's not division warning here. Okay, dog, right. This is a multi-level inheritance. Okay, multi-level inheritance here. Okay, so suppose if you call, means this bird class can access the properties of both the child class, this bird class, as well as this parent class, but this bird class cannot access the properties of this animal class. Okay, whereas this animal class access the properties of this animal class as well as both dogs and bird class here. Okay, so we'll see, we'll execute now. We'll suppose we create an animal class object here. So I'm calling only this eat method here. Okay, just execute here, so I can eat food. And next I'm accessing fly method here, object dot fly. So this object access both properties here. Okay, this bird class access both properties, this dog and bird here. Okay, see, I can eat, I can fly. Next I am accessing obj dot animal, obj dot base. Okay, execute it now, because this animal class access the properties of this both dog class and bird class here. Okay, I can eat, I can fly, this is child class. As simple as that. This is a multi-level inheritance. Okay, accessing means one child class inherit the properties from parent class, and the newly created child class becomes a parent class for another new child class. Okay, this is a child class, this bird class is a child class, this dog is a parent class. So if you create another class here, this bird becomes a parent class of this animal child class here. Okay, so this bird class accesses the properties of both this child class as well as this parent class, whereas animal class accesses the properties of both dog class and bird class here. Okay, as well as with own animal class here.